can't even tell which one's red and black.
Yeah, I think those are red and those are black.
Yeah.
See, this is a parachute attempt for the very first time. We're not sure how it's gonna work.
So like this.
Wait, can it be
Plus,
Bless you.
plus, those things cannot touch each other, okay? Clips can't touch each other. Don't worry, it's not totally safe.
I don't know why.
I feel like that one's loose, right, Dr. Trevor?
We're missing
right?
one, right?
We're missing one.
This one's the black one.
Do you connect all reds?
I was gonna tighten it.
I don't know. We're missing a lot of. Is there any more blacks? Oh yeah, there is. That's what I'm saying. So. Where's the black? Are these all black?
I'm thinking about the
Like a little surgery, yeah?
Yeah.
I hope it works, but like.
Trying to get them untangled.
Yeah.
NASA rocket is looked up. It's hooked up like that too.
And then black. We need a black one on the bottom.
So just start from the bottom. That's a lesson, okay?
The one on the bottom is tough.
Yeah, I got it.
You got that on that side?
Yeah, I think it's better angle.
And then there's another red one.
Yeah, that's it.
You got that red one on the bottom?
Yeah.
Then visually check, make sure.
So we got black, red, red, black, red, black.
Here's the last two blacks. Oh, and you already have all two connected?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think we're gonna have extras.
Alright. Try to get these off to
Wow.
their side so that they don't hit anything.
Did you check?
Yeah. We got a red, black on each one.
Red and black. So leave the parachute anyway you
black.
think it's gonna make sense.
Red, black.
How do you guys think it's gonna be close? Good?
Yeah. Honestly, I think we're just gonna have to.
Okay, I'm gonna connect this now. So if you don't, you gotta go. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Well, leave it the way you think it's gonna leave it.
Think that worked?
That's probably the best thing we can do.
Okay, get out of here then. All right. So now, Hunter, come here. Oh, turn on the altimeter. Like we're gonna connect to it.
Press the red one
Yeah, press the red button and tell me his ID. Make some shade here. Come here.
Alright, 7. Oh, this one went. It says searching.
Yeah. Got a 4-digit ID.
Four AB0.
4AB0 right there. Do you see this?
Yep.
See if it says connected.
Connected.
Okay, now. I mean, this is a small version of a NASA launch, believe me. There's a lot of things that can go wrong. I hope nothing will go wrong. Okay? Oh, no, I'm in the wrong place. Look, it says connected, okay?
All right.
Get over here now. Plug. Get your plug. Well, not your plug. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, get your plug.
Earplugs, yeah.
You know, you use this, I'll be far away, okay? Here you go. Now, nobody really needs it actually. Okay, turn the first one on. No.
Oh.
Oh, they're in the opposite place, darn it.
Yeah.
So, this one first. Oh, no, wrong battery first. Of course, look at battery first, okay?
Battery, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Turn the second one on and wait. We wanted to start recording this, okay? It's preparing. Oh, great. All right. Fire that wheel. Fire. Go.
Yeah.
Oh, turn off everything. I forgot to say that. Well, that wasn't bad.
Oh, I did the cam.
Oh, damn, that was,
A wheel came
now
off.
that makes me feel like ours isn't.
Oh, there's the wheel.
I think our parachute's too short. Yours is, I thought it was gonna be long. I thought it was gonna catch on fire.
Yeah, that's what I
But it fucking caught up and it worked. You need a little thing on the side, bro.
Yeah.
A black piece.
That thing's gone.
Just bring it back.
Oh, it did burn though.
Oh, shit.
It burnt the parachute?
Yeah,
Yeah.
1 and 2.
Why is most of the burning on like the edges?
One of them just like burned.
Oh no, that was actually going pretty well.
Yeah, they went for the run.
Your cords burn?
Yeah.
Oh. Leave it like that.
Oh, it burnt the cords.
Is it yours now?
No, we gotta get the last.
Okay.
Saving the best for last. That's right.
All right, sure. But you know what? That worked better than I thought. So turn off your altimeter off. On your, oh, it's already there, right?
Yes. Just press it once and it's gonna.
Yeah, press it off. Yeah, I got the data. Now, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all.